Fresh details have emerged indicating that 2 people died in the private plane crash that occurred at the Kanyemba district in Mire district on Wednesday evening, contradicting earlier reports that all 10 occupants have survived unscathed. Sanabina mashoko obuda panapa fresh details atikamboriporta tichipoti aiwa all the people vakanga vari 10 in that plane they survived. Panguva ine zviri kunzi aiwa there are 2 people who died. Sanabina mashoko obuda nyuko panguva ino ndimbo subscribe like out on the bed yako timina muna mobuda nyuko mchinzi. The light aircraft reportedly en route from Harare to Kafuko safaris in Mozambique crash landed after experiencing technical difficulties mid-flight. Initial accounts suggested a narrow escape, but local sources have now confirmed fatalities. Mugonapanja village yet Tenko Mugonapanja said the plane came down hard and was visibly damaged upon impact. A source in Mbire near the scene of the plane crash said 2 people died in the accident. We initially thought everyone was safe, but sadly 2 people have since been confirmed dead, he said. The pilot, who appeared shaken, refused to comment on the incident. Authorities have not yet released an official statement, fueling speculation and concern amid the series of recent aviation mishaps in Zimbabwe. This crash adds to a troubling pattern of private and light aircraft incidents in the country. In July 2022, a private plane crashed in the Zambezi Valley, killing all 4 people on board. In 2021, a police helicopter crash near Mutare claimed 3 lives. Experts have long raised alarms about the aging fleet of light aircraft in Zimbabwe, insufficient regulatory oversight, and a shortage of well-equipped emergency response systems in the remote areas. As investigations continue, the Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe is under pressure to publicly account for the recurring crashes amid growing public concern over the safety of domestic flights in the country's skies. Domashwa kuda panguva ine papsoro aiwa pekutsakatika kukuita vanhu mu these light airplanes. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pane comment section medu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.